Make 8 petals from part 1. Take 4 petals and put them together, but do not tie the tops in the center. Wrap the bottom like before and tie a knot. Now you want to add the other 4 petals in the spaces between the 4 petals that you've tied together. This does take some patience and timing to get everything right and adjusted. Be sure to keep up the 2 working cords in the center of the flower. And now you want to wrap it again with one of the cords. Sorry, I keep getting out of frame. And then tie a knot. You'll probably have to mess with it some more to get it to the way that you want it to look. And make sure that all your cords are at the top and you can start tying them together. And you just do a regular knot. And then you want to clip off your extra cording. And it's done. Isn't she beautiful?